Have you ever wanted to transfer files between your phone and computer without cables, cloud storage or the internet? Here's how to do it using LocalSend. LocalSend is available for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android and iOS. I'll be demonstrating by sending a file from my PC to my Android phone. I'm downloading LocalSend for Windows. Click on the installer. Also on my Android phone, I'll install the LocalSend. Let's install it from here. It's here on the desktop. You can have to allow the Windows Defender firewall to run the LocalSend, allow access. And thus we're here. You're gonna have to open the LocalSend on both devices from where you want to send or receive the files. Let's open it on my Android also. Firstly, you have to make sure that both of your devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Now I'm gonna send file from my PC to my Android phone. Click on send and it automatically displays your device name. You can either select a folder or file. I'm gonna choose to send the file. Suppose I want to send this video file here, this one, select. Now select the device where you want to send the file, this one here, my phone. You will get a request on another device where you want to send the file. Just accept the request. Once the request gets accepted, the file transfer will begin and it's very fast. Thus successfully the file has been transferred. So it's very easy.